Hello everyone, Sigita today, and I just popped in because of what I'm doing. I am quickly making some signatures for this bird journal, a cover we were making in previous videos. So this I just taped it down to hold it. And I can see how all that works together. So I am recycling tea bag, like big loose tea bag. Not big, but for tea is a big. But for journal is a small size, but quite wide spine. So let's see. I'm thinking to put in like 3 signatures maybe. So what I'm doing now, I'm just collecting papers. I came up with this kind of idea, but yeah, I did show you this on Pinterest, on Patreon, this grungy paper, so that's on Patreon. But yeah, so I'm just collecting different papers, some really crunchy, one like single page. Let's single page, not it's not really right, is like thin page as is, right? And as well I am making kind of these collaged ones. So just simply, this is a work process. This is not really about anything particular. What else I wanted to tell you, just in a case you haven't seen, Ruby and Pearl has discount on her Etsy shop, and I purchased gorgeous like vintage lady photos. I have like 5 pages. I love how she put these photos down on that background, really lovely. So this I will going to use soon somewhere. Maybe some of these I will put in my boho journal. A boho journal completely I am making on Patreon. And look that, oh yeah guys, so I did a boho printables, digitals. I absolutely love. They're a little bit different maybe than I used to do, you know, more colorful. I love the way they turned out with crazy birds like this one, right? So printables will be afterwards available on Etsy, but for Patreon it's going to be for free. So yeah, look at that, look at the page. I really love. I'm like kind of proud of myself. I think this is first digitals I did, and I really like it how they turned out. More pages are coming. This is just for on these pages as well. That's all on Patreon. But anyways, it's not like, yeah, it's not about Patreon. I just wanted to show you what I'm doing. And Ruby on Pearl, she has like a discount on all papers, all shop in her shop. I don't know where that discount ends, but if you're watching now and if you're interested, you can just pop over and have a look. Right, yeah, so I lost what I was saying before, but that's okay. 2 small envelopes I made as well, and I wanted, because it wasn't coffee stained, I just put book page, right, and this one as well. So I want to actually, shall we just join them together? So how? This way and this way. So then I have to join like this. have strip. So if you have different sizes, you know, sometimes you have a smaller page and larger page, and it doesn't matter really, you don't have to worry about. Oh, my glue is finishing as well. You don't have to really join together, you know, from top to bottom. It doesn't really matter. You can join together whatever size strip you want, as long as it holds together. That's fine. Just don't forget or do remember, we need gap here for folding, and because is strip of fabric, then we need a we can really use scraps here. So you can just glue down, or I glue down and go over with a sewing machine afterwards. Because like this is envelope, I would go really on edge, right? Because I want something to put in. Right. So I just quickly go around with sewing machine. Right, lovely stitching together, and I have in blue thread because I'm using blue thread for a boho journal, but it's completely fine. I have never used blue thread, but I think this is gonna be fine. It doesn't matter really what kind of thread we have in, so that we can, oh, this way. I wanted them to be open this way. Paper, this is just ordinary copy paper I printed on some prints, and then I folded envelope, but I folded smaller way than, so actually I think I have shown you before, but maybe, you know, I can show you how to reduce size, simply because I'm talking about envelopes. And as you can see already, I'm not really measuring anything, and as you know, I don't like measuring. So what happens now, we have whatever paper, so we need a square to make an envelope, folded one, we need a square. And simply what I would do usually, I would fold this way, okay, and then cut this off. But if you want smaller size, you just don't go as high up, and you fold smaller square. So this is how you can size smaller envelopes, folding ones, okay? So you don't go up there, you go down a little bit more, right? You make your square, you take all this off. That will be good for collaging. So, okay, you have line, and now you are doing another line. You have X kind of this way, or cross this way. Then fold right to the center. The points are touching each other right in the center. Turn again around, doesn't matter which way. we are folding up, and this folding up, it measures how high your envelope is gonna be. You can have this one, this high, or you can have this high. Okay, so that's, and we just folding up like that. Then I fold back just to make it straight, so I can write straight C, that because of that white background I need these lines not to cross. I need them on the same level, these two, and I fold it back inwards, and look, we are creating nice line. And then I just take a ruler and I like got a mark of the top, and we're done. Look, we have envelope, right? Nice folded envelope. And we glue here, we don't glue here, we glue these two sides, right? These two sides, white and this, and we glue it down. So we need to glue these two together, and we have an envelope. I'm not gluing now because I have to put something inside. But this is how, and even if you want smaller, you make even smaller that paper, you push it down more, and then square you make smaller than needed. So I think that's very easy, especially nice envelopes from book pages. So this is that, and we can easy, I started to glue something. I don't even, okay, shall I just leave as it is? Okay, let's make a bigger one. Just go over. Oh, I need a new glue. These glue sticks are small ones. I didn't purchase bigger ones, and they just go so quickly. Right, like that. Oh, I did it wrong. Okay, not like wrong, but, and I just squeeze everything down. Like that. Just take off that glue. And my corners are somewhere. So I will make some papers like this, white. Ay, 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 ay. Like this. Okay, I will coffee it afterwards. I'm not gonna glue anything on. So like all these corners poking out. I really like when pages are not very straight, and we can this is kind of boring. I found a very, very old, look, paper pack pound. This is from UK, from charity shops, Paper Mania, okay. Lovely papers. Let's use this one. I haven't used scrapbooking paper for ages. They're nice papers. That's probably why. So I don't even know what to do, how to act with them. But like anyway, yes, straight away we are having, look, we put it around a little bit over here. Maybe we can little bit push over the edge, and straight away we have a very interesting page, and we can, and like for me is a lot easier to do some embellishing if I wanted to. For this journal I'm not going to do like every single page. I will leave, this will be like more collaged pages like this, but I will definitely put some embellishments of birds in as well. Right, yeah, I like this one. This feels, I like now, I think I mentioned it many times, I really do like when pages are thick. Or I'm using clear gesso to glue everything down. They are really strong and strong and hard pages. With them you can do, or like I can do more than pages like this. But anyway, I like this as well. Where I need some different scraps. Oh, I found something like that. No, just to make a little bit more interesting. Yeah, it does like, you know, just glue scraps down, but I want to say by that it does really take time to glue everything down and to ink it afterwards. It does take time, but I really like this gluing down. And yeah, you don't have to really overthink whatever you glue. This already looks a lot better. Kinda, this is boring. But okay, I will decorate afterwards. We'll leave this as it is. So how many? Just 4. And just 4. That's 8. I think I need more than that. It's going to go a little bit over, that's fine. I like that. Okay. This is cardstock. And I can take cardstock as well as a base. I think it's a little bit, yeah, it's too long and too wide. Very small one. Something like that. Oh, this is good. Just roughly, yeah, because it will, we can glue, you know, over papers. So What's this? Oh, I think I wanted this just as a writing one. No, I don't like. Need something more exciting. Okay. Eco print, really nice for collaging. To use eco print. Oh, this side. Okay. Okay, I will just do this side and then let's see what I come up with. I really have, or I don't really use anymore that way when we tear like every single, not every single, that would be like quite messy, but like or every other page we just tear by hand. I don't do that anymore. I'm not really, I think it's, you know, sometimes we just do something, do, and then we have fed up with it and we just do something else. So I think that's what happened to me. So I don't like that anymore. So what's happening here? Oh, this is nice as well. And this is all what's happening. So white, I don't want the white go over that way to be seen. So I kind of make, I can, obviously, I can put some coffee on afterwards and stain it. But don't want this time. So actually I want to put in maybe some fabric as well. Alright, to make sure everything. And because this is cardstock already, there is no need like to cover everything. It's thick enough. So that's why I sometimes I like to glue on cardstock because of that reason. And I can like leave this as it is, or just, let's take something, or just collage a little bit without covering whole page, you know. That's a good way to. I really like collaging. I always love, and lately, just recently, I started to work a little bit on mixed media collage. So I made, I think I showed you now this card, and this why I think I came up with such a good, for me I think such a great boho a printables, but that's all coming. So else do we have here? Quite a little bit of papers on my table. What's going on? Some more fabrics. Very tiny. Very tiny. This is eco print. Oh, I like these edges. This is very heavy coffee stain. We can put down that. And I'm going again over the edge. Create really nice edge on this side. Great. And then I will go over his coffee. Something here. Alright, what can we have tag. We have tag. So what can we? Okay, we can create tag. We can use this tag as a belly band. And what happens is, with gluing down, it doesn't really, you cannot see, but right, but what I did, look, I stitched it over, right, and straight away it is a different look and is not moving at all. And I forgot to, not forgot, I even didn't think about that, I didn't embellish it, but I can embellish and glue it on afterwards, simply because I like to stitch a lot down with sewing machine. But so let's say this is in our journal, so quite fine, right? And we can put some in there, for example. Very interesting. And we can do something. Now I'm not going to embellish, but this is nice. Cards. Oh, I think this would be too, yeah, this is too high. Doesn't go in. Oh, I think this won't go in either. Right, never mind. So this is how nice and easy. And still I'm not going to do like all collaged pages, of course. I will do, put in as well a coffee stained papers just for writing. So that will be in as well. And I was just thinking to cover this one. So, thank you so much. I hope you get some little inspiration. And like example here, this is too big or too high. Definitely fold it over, and then you can fold over this one as well. And you are not losing any paper, and you have more interest and more grunginess to the page. Right, my lovelies, thank you so much, and see you very soon. Yeah, somehow like that. Right, my lovelies, this will go in here. And I need some more signatures. These are going to be too little, at least 3. And some more papers for writing in as well. Right, my lovelies, thank you so much, and see you very soon. Bye.